Obhekele umnyango wokuhlaliswa kwabantu ekomidini lemeya eGoli, umlungisi Mabaso, uthi abantu bokufika abakulelizwe ngokungemthetho ibona abagcwele emjondolo eminingi kulomkhandlu dolobha. Lokhu bakubone njengoba uqhubeka umkhankaso wokuhambela lemjondolo kanye nokukhuculula iGoli. Namhlanje kuboshwe abantu bokufika abakulelizwe ngokungemthetho abangaphezulu kwe10 emjondolo esehostela laseFlehof.
2 weeks ago, I conducted an operation in one of the informal settlements where we then learned during that operation that South Africans are a minority there. Majority of the residents there are foreign nationals, and we were working with Home Affairs. And some of them, they've got fraudulent documents.
Umabaso uthi kusazoba nzima ukuqeda nyanga emjondolo eGoli njengoba abantu bedayisela abanye abantu leyo mjondolo uma ngabe uhulumeni esebatholele indawo yokuhlala.
We've got syndicates that are operating here. So you will see the informal settlements and invasion thinking that no, it's people who are in need of housing, but only to realize later that those people have actually bought those stands.
Umabaso uthi iyamkhathaza indaba yokuthi imjondolo ikhula unyaka nonyaka njengoba ethi ngo2016 yayingu181 imjondolo eGoli, ngo2019 yayingu312, njengamanje ingu352.
You will see the informal settlements from outside is not growing, but internally, the shacks are growing. They are erecting each and every day, and they are closing the space, and that's why, most of our informal settlements are highly congested because of the internal growth.
Lo mkhankaso uyingxenye yezinhlelo ezimenyezelwe imeya ngoLesithathu ngesikhathi yethula inkulumo ngesimo somkhandlu dolobha.